tutorial on how to reboot profiles installed in DirectAds in case of a synchronization failure. Well, first thing, you will click here on Facebook profile, and here you will have your logged in profiles. The profile that has a synchronization problem, you can delete it. Then you go in here to on this site here, developers.facebook.com/apps, delete the applications that are linked here in the profile. There, I won't delete this one because it's in another account, but in your case, it will all be blank here. Okay, so let's create a new application. Actually, go back to DirectAds and redo the whole process. Insert the proxy. So I will insert the proxy here. Continue. Here you will enter the application credentials, okay? So this profile is ADM13. Then you will enter your profile name. To find the apps, it is here in developers, okay? But you will also need the onboarding. So click on onboarding. Go back and click on developers. This developers is where we were deleting the applications. So create new app.
App name.
Enter DirectAds or whatever name you prefer. Select the first one. This one with the little squares and this one with the little flag. You can select either one of the two or any of the ones you have. Follow and create app. There, the app is created. You need to go here to app settings, basic. And here you will paste that information that is in the onboarding that I said to open. But first, I will copy the ID here and I will paste it into DirectAds. Then I go to App Secrets, Show. I also copy it and paste it into DirectAds. No, I go back to the onboarding. I will copy this privacy link and paste it here in privacy policy. This terms link, I will put it here in the terms of service, and the privacy link again to put here. Right, category. You will select utilities and productivity, and I will download the logo now because we will need it to put it there. So category, utilities and productivity, and the logo photo. All set, save. After saving, click here on publish. Publish down here again. Done. Now let's create the token. It needs a token here. We will need to create the token. Go to Ferramentas, Tools, Graph API Explorer. Put the application that you are using. In my case, it is this one. It is the new one. Add permission and select all permissions. There will be 6 permissions here in total. Generate access. It will ask for verification here. Continue, authorize all pages. Authorize all assets, save.
Done.
All right, it has generated the token. Now I will paste it into DirectAds. Validate creating credentials. All right, continue. For the extension, you have already done the process that yes, the extension is already here in the tutorial, and finish there. Now you have linked the profile with the new app